In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics and Google Ads to Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside Gohighlevel and connecting the Google integration from the settings area. This setup is useful because it helps your account communicate properly with Google services and makes it easier to manage lead-related activity from one place. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account or location where you want the integration to be installed. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, go to Integrations. This is where Gohighlevel stores the available connection options for external platforms and tools. On this page, look for Google Lead Ads. Even though the title of this tutorial mentions Google Analytics and Google Ads, the process shown here is specifically the Google Lead Ads connection within Gohighlevel, so that's the option you want to open. Once you find it, click Connect. After that, click on Google Lead Ads to open the integration details, and then click Manage. This takes you to the installation area where you can begin authorizing the connection for your account. Next, click Install. On the following screen, click Proceed to install, then click Allow and install. At this stage, Gohighlevel is preparing the integration and asking for the permissions it needs in order to communicate with your Google account. It's a good idea to read through the permission prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted. You'll then arrive at the external authentication configuration page for Google Lead Ads. Here, you'll be asked to enter a name and an email address. Add a clear name that helps you recognize this connection later, especially if you manage multiple accounts or multiple Google integrations. Then enter the email address you want associated with this setup. After filling in those fields, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the correct Google account you want to connect, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the authorization process. Depending on your Google account settings, you may need to confirm permissions or approve additional access requests before the connection is finalized. Once everything is approved, the integration should be successfully connected inside Gohighlevel. If you manage more than one Google account, take an extra moment to verify you selected the right one before finishing, since that can save you troubleshooting later. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process to connect the Google integration shown in Gohighlevel.